solo? Why would anyone in a successful band go solo? That is insane.
His face says, shit, I've got chlamydia.
Straight? No, I mean straight vodka, not are you straight?
Like that, how do you do that?
Nick, you got to do that.
You like stand like this,
like touching the top.
Yeah, how do you do that?
You have to get down.
Is it working?
Looks like you're holding it up.
Romance. All tonight. I'm in the mood for dancing.
The girl I like suddenly. I ate 2 of your socks and 3 pairs of your underwear.
Fuck off, Nigel!
This guy left a little something under the tree for his wife. Divorce papers. Oh, and a cod sperm.
Caused a blockage in my intestine that would cost you $8,000.
Spatula. Love that.
Alpha
I'm just a girl.
Don't you?
Good?
Just leave it there. Sorry, what you...
Get out of my kitchen!
It's not on me, sister.
Go, 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 go! Cars! Yes!
Still?
Cod sperm.
I love Scotland!
I need to have a chat with my wife.
I need to have a chat with your wife.
What's the problem?